Edit that. Edit. Edit. Clip. Can I?
What? No, it's very difficult to go there. No, it's hard. Okay, let's go. You see, you cannot do that. Right? Give to the old guy.
Mommy, stop recording. That's embarrassing.
We're in the lake.
I doubt you.
This is Lake Caribou.
Caribou Lake.
Go away, Mommy. Lake.
And there's a people their house.
Yeah.
I thought you said we were going all the way around there. Mommy, I'm scared.
No need to be
Can you
scared.
give me your life jacket?
Why?
Can we go to that one?
Daddy, give me your life jacket.
Where? You see?
Daddy.
There's the end of lake. Maybe 2 kilometers, not bigger.
And there's also there.
Yeah.
Where's the snappy turtle? Daddy, can I have your life jacket?
I can give you if you want.
You don't even need one.
No, I don't need it, honestly.
Yeah, so why are you wearing it?
Captain has to. Which direction you want to go, guys?
Where we can fish. Big
Yeah,
one.
let's go there then.
No.
There's a
I want to go there.
cottage there. There's another cottage there.
Yeah.
But this our cottage one cannot see anything because they never cut the.
Because of the
Yeah, there's another cottage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
yeah, that's it.
7.
8
Yeah.
and 9. See 9?
Yeah, there's so many cottages there.
All right, now we put.
Daddy need to go put the warm one.
Mama, I'd rather stay safe from that.
Okay.
Mommy, can you help me?
Okay, come.
Mommy.
Don't step on the water. Daddy put the warm.
I don't feel safe here either. Mama, I don't feel safe anywhere. Mama, can we go? Why did I tell you to go here?
What's wrong with you?
The fish!